Do your garden plants sprawl out and take up way too much space? I know the struggle. But here's the good news. A simple garden trellis can totally transform your growing game. It saves space, boosts your harvest, and even helps keep your plants healthier. In today's video, I'm breaking down how to build an easy, sturdy trellis with just a handful of supplies. If you want more no-nonsense gardening tips, be sure to like and subscribe. So, why bother with a trellis anyway? When you let climbing plants like pole beans, cucumbers, peas, or even indeterminate tomatoes grow upward instead of sprawling out, you improve airflow around the leaves. More airflow means less risk of fungal diseases. And trust me, that makes life so much easier at harvest time. Trellising also lets you grow more in less space, which is perfect for raised beds or small gardens. Let's talk supplies. You'll need 2 wooden stakes or T-posts. Go for 5 to 6 feet tall. Some garden twine or galvanized wire, a pair of scissors or snips, and if you want to make things extra sturdy, grab some zip ties or a drill. Wooden stakes are great if you just need a seasonal trellis, but if you want something that's going to last for years, metal T-posts are the way to go. Building your trellis is easier than you think. First, drive your stakes into the ground about 18 inches deep and space them 3 to 5 feet apart, depending on what you're growing. Next, tie the twine or wire horizontally between the posts every 6 to 12 inches. This creates those handy rungs for your plants to grab onto. If you've got really enthusiastic vines, crisscross the twine diagonally for extra grip. Want it more permanent? Secure the twine with zip ties or use a drill and screws. That's it. Easy. Wondering what plants love a good trellis? Pole beans, peas, cucumbers, and indeterminate tomatoes are some of my favorites. As your plants grow, gently train the vines up the trellis using soft ties, or just tuck them behind the twine. Check in every week or so to guide any wayward stems and keep everything reaching for the sky. Trellising is honestly one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your garden. It's budget-friendly, saves space, and helps your plants absolutely thrive. If this video made your gardening life a little easier, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, proven tips. Thanks so much for watching, and happy gardening!